Good morning, everybody. Today you'll need your learner's book, an exercise book and your pencil case. As I told you during the lesson, let's take a look at the correction for the self-check. How much change do you get if you pay with these notes and coins? 1A. The cost of the pencils is 95 cents. I pay with 50 cents plus 50. 50 plus 50 is 100 cents or $1. 100 cents minus 95 makes 5 cents change. B. The t-shirt costs $12. I pay with a $10 note plus a $5 note. The change is $15 minus $12 equals $3. $3 in cents is 300 cents. B. Measuring length. Let's take a look at 2. Copy and complete these sentences. There are 100 centimeters in a meter and 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So there will be 500 centimeters in 5 meters and 3,000 meters in 3 kilometers. 3. Read the length of this pencil in centimeters. What would be the length of a pencil twice as long as this one be? The pencil on top of the ruler measures 6.5 centimeters. Twice as long means double, so 6.5 plus 6.5 makes 13 centimeters. C. Time. Match the times in the first row with the times in the second row. As we saw in the example on the last video, 60 seconds is 1 minute. 10 minutes is 600 seconds. 5 hours is 300 minutes, because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. 5 hours is 60 minutes times 5. 240 minutes is 4 hours. 9 hours is 540 minutes. 90 seconds is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Two. Copy the clock face. Draw the hands on the clock to show 5 minutes before 8:30. So 8:30 would show the big hand on the 6 and the small hand between the 8 and the 9. This is 8:30. 5 minutes before 8:30 means the big hand would go back to the 5, which is 8:25 or 8:25. 3. Write a sensible amount of time it takes to do these things. Wash your hands, watch a TV program, make a sandwich. These are just some examples that I wrote. To wash your hands, about 30 seconds. To watch a TV program, about 30 minutes. Make a sandwich, 5 minutes. Of course, your answers can be different, but not very different, of course. Remember, a sensible amount of time is a sensible estimate. We're going to look at pages 57 and 58 of your Learner's Book, Unit 5, Problem Solving. Today we'll be looking at some picture problems. All of the questions will be about this picture at the swimming pool. First, let's take a look at some key words. Deep. Not be able. Stand. Safely. Half price. Wearing. Next to. 90 minutes until. Swimmers. Fair. Have to learn. Skills. After. Now let's read the questions together. Number 1. Rowan is 120 centimeters tall. Is there any part of the pool where he will not be able to stand safely? Take a look at the picture and all the information. Here we have how deep the pool is at each end. Here it is 1 meter deep. Here it is 2 meters deep. Answer the question using a complete sentence. For example, yes, Rohan will not be able to stand, or no, Rohan will be able to stand. Number 2. Is it more than 90 minutes until it is half price? Look at the clock on the wall. This is the time in the picture. And this sign here tells you what time half price starts. Three. Which of these is a sensible estimate for the length of the pool? 20 centimeters, 1 kilometer, 100 meters, 20 meters, or 2 meters? Look at the children and estimate if the pool can be one of these and choose which one. Remember, make a sensible estimate using the information in the picture. Four. My friend is not wearing a red hat and is not standing next to the person in the blue hat. What color hat is my friend wearing? My friend is one of these. Look at the information in the question and choose what color hat my friend is wearing. Now take a look at Pattern Problems panel on page 58. 1. There are 4 swimmers, each wearing a different color hat. The swimming teacher lines up the swimmers in a different order every week to make it fair. In what order are they in the picture? Remember, the person at the front is the first person in line. The person at the back is the last. So write down the colors in order of the line. 1b. How many other orders can you find? Let's take a look at a few examples. As we said before, in this first line we have red in first place and yellow last. We could also have red, blue, yellow, green. Another order could be red, yellow, blue, green. Or red, yellow, green, blue. Then there's red, green, blue, yellow, then there's red, green, yellow, and blue. These are just a few examples. There are a lot more. To help you, I'll give you a clue. there are more than 20 orders, but less than 30. See if you can find them all. Question number 2. The swimmers have to learn 5 skills. They only have time for 3 different activities each lesson. For example, in one lesson they learn front crawl, butterfly, and diving. How many different lessons could there be with different mixes of activities? The activities are front crawl, floating, backstroke, butterfly, and diving. Another example could be front crawl, floating, and backstroke. Another front crawl, floating, and butterfly. Another front crawl, floating, and diving. Now pause the video, copy the exercises and complete on your exercise book. Answer your questions using full sentences. We will correct the exercise during the lesson. That's all for today. Bye-bye.